Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Since last July, the U.S. Federal Reserve has held its interest rates in the range of 5.25% and 5.5%, the highest level since 2001. There is some relief coming, with interest rates expected to start coming down as early as the summer. That's the good news. At the same time, though, that relief will be muted. According to Janet Yellen, the U.S. Treasury Secretary and former Fed chair, it's unlikely that market interest rates will return to the levels seen before the healthcare crisis of 2020. A higher interest rate environment will continue to be a strain on average American, but for business development companies, or BDCs for short, higher for longer interest rates should help juice earnings. This includes a BDC, or we like to call them alternative banks and income investors, like Monroe Capital Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol MRCC. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Monroe Capital Corp is a BDC that provides senior, unitranche, junior secured and subordinated debt financing and minority equity investments, primarily to lower middle market companies here in the US and Canada. Now, the company holds debt equity investments in 98 portfolio companies with a total fair value of $500.9 million. The average loan size per company is around 5.2 million, with the largest loan actually being 30 million. First lien loans make up close to 82% of its total portfolio. And its portfolio is diversified across industries that include everything from like real estate, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, high-tech industry, media, and banking.
I was reading that this BDC reported solid first quarter results.
Yeah, for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2024, Monroe Capital reported net investment income, or NII, of $5.5 million, or 25 cents per share. Now that's up slightly from $5.3 million, or 24 cents per share in the previous quarter. Adjusted net investment income came in at $5.5 million, or 25 cents per share, compared with $5.6 million, or 26 cents per share in the fourth quarter of 2023. Net asset value decreased slightly, like 1.1%, to $201.2 million, or $9.30 per share.
And the company's net investment income has covered its dividends for 16 straight quarters.
Yeah, as a BDC, dividends are not just important to Monroe Capital, they're also like a legal responsibility. Monroe Capital Corp became a public company in October 2012 and paid its first quarterly dividend in December of that year. But it hasn't missed a dividend payment since then. In March 2024, it paid a quarterly cash dividend of 25 cents per share, or $1 per share on an annual basis. This translates into a pretty high dividend yield of 13.8%. Now, you might think that yield is exceptionally high, and it is, especially when compared to the S&P 500, where the average dividend yield is just 1.35%. But it's also in keeping with the company's historical 5-year average dividend yield, which is 12.78%.
Looking at the share performance, MRCC stock is up 13% over the last year.
Yeah, back early November 2023, as you noted earlier, the Federal Reserve said it was pausing its interest rate hikes. In December, it again held its interest rates, but also said cut rates were on the table. Now, investors responded by sending shares of capital-sensitive stocks significantly higher. Some stocks ripped higher in early November, then leveled out, while others, like Monroe Capital, have been on a more reliable, sustained trajectory. Since the start of November, MRCC shares have rallied, as of this recording, 17%. MRCC shares stock is also up 8% since the start of 2024, and 13% over the last 12 months. Pretty solid gains, but MRCC stock is expected to climb even higher over the coming 12 months, topping its December 2021 record high of $8.86 per share. Now, of those analysts providing a 12-month share price target, the average is $8.50 per share, with a high estimate of $9 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Monroe Capital Corp is a great BDC with diversified portfolio anchored primarily by first lien secured loans. Thanks to a strong financial position and steady, reliable income stream, Monroe Capital has been able to provide investors with safe, high-yield dividend. MRCC stock has also been on the move since November and is expected to hit fresh highs over the coming quarters. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks you own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.